Welcome to day one of our yoga challenge. Today, I hope that we are able to set an intention together for this week, develop meditation and pranayama, which is breathing skills, and then we're gonna flow through sun salutation A and B together. So this will be a great way to warm up your body and your breath. So we'll first get started in our meditation, so feel free to sit like I am in hero's pose, or you can sit on a block, or you can allow yourself to sit any comfortable way that you wish. My only goal for you is that you can sit comfortably and happy. So allow your eyes to close as we lay our hands in our lap and pull your shoulders down as you lift your heart. If laying your hands in your lap isn't comfortable, you can always place your one hand at the heart and one hand in the belly, which is what I'm going to do today. I want you to start with Ujjayi breath, which is our ocean breath. It's also known as a victory breath. It's a breath where we learn in yoga to just breathe through our nose and not through our mouth. So inhale, pull the breath in through your nose as your lips stay closed. Exhale the breath out of your nose down the back of your throat. Again, inhale through the nose. Exhale out of the nose and down the back of your throat. Try to lengthen your inhale this time, so I'm going to count for you. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, hold your breath at the top, and then we'll lengthen our exhale for 5, 4, out of the nose, 2, and 1. Inhale in for 4, 3, 2, pause at the top. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, all the way out. Now I'm just going to release my hands into my lap. You can keep your hands where they are in the mudra of hand to heart and belly. And then just return to a normal breathing pattern. So in through your nose and out through your nose. And check in with yourself. Are you cultivating mindfulness? Are you starting to focus and set an intention? Are you distracted? And if you're feeling lost and unable to connect, that's okay. Give it time. 3 more breaths together. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. And then our last breath together, please. Inhale in. And exhale out. As we open our eyes together, please bring your hands to your heart and allow yourself a moment to check in. So when you combine pranayama with meditation, so breath with quiet breathing, allowing your mind to focus, you can almost create this sense of zen and bliss in the outside world right here together. So maybe before you start each video for the next 7 days, you rejoin me for this first part of the video. A quick seated moment together where we're quiet, we're focused. So make sure your intention is set. We'll bring our thumbs to our third eye, forehead center. We call this the point of wisdom for a yogi. So a place where we learn, we educate, we make smart decisions that are from our hearts and from what we've learned in life, and we share that education and wisdom with others. Bring your thumbs to your lips. So this is the truth of a yogi. This is where we speak kind words, positivity, we share our experiences, and we tell people how much they mean to us. And then to our heart as a yogi, where we offer love, where we store our emotions and we allow ourselves to love ourselves and all of those around us. So as we dive in this morning, let's get started with our sun salutations A and B. We'll flow together for the next few minutes, and then we'll sit quietly to close day one. So as we come from seated to standing for sun salutations, open up your feet. Take your arms to the side for me, and then inhale, reach up, saluting the sun, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward bend, hands to toes. Inhale, halfway lift your spine and lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Classical sun salutation A, exhale, step the left foot back, lower the knee. Inhale, pull your heart forward as you keep your fingertips down. Exhale, hands flat, step back to down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra pose, heart forward. Exhale, lay flat. Press up through the hands and knees, curl the toes. Exhale, down dog. Without lifting your leg, step your left foot forward. Drop the right knee. Inhale, pull the heart forward. Exhale to the top of the mat. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, standing, reach all the way up high. Second side of A. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift your spine. This time, right foot steps back. Drop the knee. Inhale, pull the heart forward and up. We're keeping the toe tucked so that we can big time step back. Down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, lay flat. Hands and knees, exhale, down dog. Right foot steps forward, keep your fingertips down, keep it tucked. Inhale, lift. Exhale, feet together. Inhale, standing all the way up, moving into sun salutation A, namaskar A. Exhale, fold forward. Lift and lengthen halfway. Exhale, fold, step back, plank. Lower chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, up. Exhale, down dog. 3 breaths. Inhale through the nose, same breath we practice in meditation. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out, look forward, soften your knees, step or jump. Halfway lift, forward bend. Inhale, standing all the way up high. Bring the hands to the heart on your exhale. Inhale, reach up and over your head. Exhale, bow forward, this time floating back, halfway lift. Step or float back. We're gonna land in chaturanga. Inhale, up. Exhale, back. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Look forward if you would like to. We're gonna float forward. So you're gonna bend your knees, land, lift, and then fold. Bend your knees for chair pose. Reach your arms up. So starting sun salutation B, namaskar B, arms are long. Exhale, dive forward. Halfway lift your spine and lengthen. Exhale, step back, high plank. Right foot, left foot. Lower. Inhale up. Exhale, back. Raise your right heel up to the sky. Exhale, step it forward in between your hands. Anchor your back heel down. Inhale, rise, warrior one. Reach your arms to the sky, lengthen. Exhale your hands down, step back, feet together, or hover, lower. Inhale up, exhale back. Second side, inhale, raise your left leg up, exhale, step forward. Back heel grounds, reach up. Fingertips high, inhale, take your gaze up. Exhale your hands down. Step back or float the toes. Exhale, lower. Inhale up. Exhale back. 3 breaths with the lips closed. Breathe through your nose. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Look forward. Step or jump. Halfway lift. Forward bend. Back to Utkatasana, chair pose. Squeeze your knees, raise your arms. And then from there, drive up to stand. Take a big back bend. Pull your hands at your heart. One more time through B, allowing ourselves to float back if you wish. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, Utkatasana. So you can sit right into your chair, or you can sweep your arms down, which offers you that forward fold, and then come into chair. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, bow forward, floating back, landing in chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale back. Right leg lifts high. Exhale, step forward, warrior one. And take my arms out to the side this time and then up. Exhale, release the pose. Feet together or hover the foot. Lower. Inhale up. Exhale back. Left leg up, step forward. These are all single breaths. That's why they're fast. Arms out wide. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Feet together. Your heart rate should be elevated. You should feel warm. So try to stay with your breath, even with the elevation of your heart rate. Exhale, push back. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out. Look forward, step or jump, so bend your knees to hop or just step your feet up. Halfway lift, and then fold forward. Chair pose, Utkatasana, bend your knees. Reach high and then all the way up, hands at your heart. Shut your eyes here, quiet mind, and just breathe in and out slowly. Become aware of the elevation of your heart rate and allowing yourself to move in these therapeutic ways that are set sequences to allow yourself to not have any control of your thought, but just to move. Exhale very slowly. We're going to make our way back to seated, how we began day one together. As we sit together, I want you to notice, again, that little bit of work that you provided for your body, but also the feeling of just being alive. So of allowing breath, meditation, and then this focus movement to notice how your body is on day one. So this movement is designed to heat the body and warm you up. So feel free to keep flowing through these different sun salutation variations, but I'm excited for you to join me tomorrow for another sequence to do together to open different parts of our body. Have a beautiful day one.